They've been waiting for their big day, their big moment, the day you put them in a frame and feature them on one of your walls. I'm talking about those posters and the artwork that's patiently been waiting in your closet, in your basement, behind doors, wherever. I have seen it in clients' homes, so don't worry, you're not alone. We frequently find these things that need to be framed. And then I hear, oh yeah, I've been meaning to frame that. I really love that piece of art. So let's tackle this. We'll break it down so it's less overwhelming of a task. The first thing you want to do is to reassess things that need framing. Make sure you still like them. You still want them on your wall. You're happy with them. They make you feel good. If not, please let them go. You can donate things like this or see if a friend wants them. Take a photo of it and see if you have a friend that wants it. So that's the first step, to reassess the things that need framing. And then choose one piece to frame and make a deadline to frame it. Measure it, buy a frame or take it to a framing store, and then hang it on the wall and enjoy it. Repeat these steps until everything you have is framed and hung up. Won't that feel great to have new artwork on your walls? Again, if you don't like it, you don't have room for it, please consider donating it. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on little tidbits and tips to help you organize. My name's Jill Annis. I'm the owner of Simply Organized. I'm your compassionate, non-judgmental organizing expert. See you next time.